Explain the graphical method to analyze the inertia force for a reciprocating engine. A reciprocating engine is commonly used in automobile engine. The arrangement of a reciprocating engine has evolved from basic slider crank mechanism. A slider crank mechanism has 1 sliding and 3 turning pairs. Now let us see the method to analyze the inertia forces graphically. First, we draw the acceleration diagram for the mechanism using Klein's construction. We get the acceleration diagram as. Now we locate another point D. In order to do this, a line is drawn perpendicular to link BC from its center G up to a small distance E. Then we draw an angle BED as 90 degrees. Hence, point D is located. Next, we replace the connecting rod by a dynamically equivalent system of 2 masses, where one mass is at B distance B from the center of mass G of the connecting rod, and the other mass at D at distance D. The distance D and B are related to each other as, where K is the radius of gyration. Now we find the accelerations of point G and D using the relation. The acceleration of mass B is along link AB. Therefore, the inertia force due to this mass will act in the direction opposite to it. Mass B has force normal from the surface. So here the inertia force will act downwards of unknown magnitude. Now the acceleration of mass D is parallel to D1A1 in the acceleration diagram. Therefore, the inertia force due to this mass acts in the opposite direction through D. So we draw a line parallel to AB to represent the direction of inertia force. The weight of the piston exerts a force W, so we draw a vertical line of scale magnitude. Now the inertia force of the crank pin will be along the direction of A1D1 at an instant. So using the formula, where M is mass of crank, draw a line parallel to the direction of A1D1 representing inertia force Fi. Now the tangential force is perpendicular to inertia force, so we draw a line perpendicular to Fi. Now we draw the instantaneous center of rotation for the piston and connecting rod. We get point L. For the equilibrium of connecting rod, taking moments about L, thus the magnitude of Ft is obtained. Hence the direction of Fr and Fn are parallel to Lc and Lb respectively and can be thus drawn as. Hence their magnitude are found. In this way, the graphical analysis of the inertia force for a reciprocating engine is done.